a week ago, I went to get a PRF therapy. PRF stands for Platelet-Rich Fibrin. I get that therapy in my right knee because of a meniscus tear. And also, I had another injury in my left shoulder, which was a slap 2 biceps tendon partial tear. And also, I had a supraspinatus tendon irritation. Both of them were bothering me about 6 months. And believe me, I did my fair share to heal both of them by doing physiotherapy for about 6 months every single day. And I also did like red light therapy, cold exposure, and many different kind of stuff just to make sure that I can avoid surgery. When I reached my peak in this whole process, which was about 80% of the whole healing process, I felt that I need to do something to get to 100%, and PRF therapy is my best choice. So I want to tell you my experience because it's not that bad as many people are communicating it on this platform. I read many crazy comments that it was so painful and it was literally unbearable, and I didn't have that experience. Probably it was my doctor or I'm just really lucky, but it's not bad at all. I gotta tell you that it was one of the best things that I ever done so far in this whole recovery process because after only 2 days, the pain from my right knee is gone. It's unbelievable. My left shoulder is getting better, but the doctor told me probably it will take another injection to completely heal my left shoulder. But he suggests that only one injection will be enough in my right knee, and seemingly he was completely right. Now I feel that I can push it a little bit further without any kind of pain. I'm not telling it's completely healed, but you can feel the difference. I can feel the difference. The whole process, it wasn't too bad. Get your blood, they put it into a centrifuge machine, and they're going to separate the fibrin, which contains IGF-1 and different kind of cells that can accelerate the healing process. And after, they are going to inject back to the area. So it's pretty simple. You can just go there, get the injection, and go home on your leg, so you can walk away. You don't have to, be in the hospital for days. So it's not like a surgery. I paid about like 400 euros, which is like $500 or something like that. Yeah, it's not. I'm not gonna tell you that it's cheap, but for someone who wants to reach its peak performance and keep going to the gym and lift heavy, I think PRF therapy is one of the best option. And I have no any affiliation with the hospital or something. I just want to share my own personal experience, which is unbelievably good. And I'm sure that I'm going to get that other injection in my left shoulder just to make sure that I can hit the gym like I like to do it, which is go hard, ferociously, and lift heavy, and just do like the whole life is going to collapse if I'm not going to push it as hard. I don't know why. Perhaps it's like there is some background trauma that I want to heal with lifting. I'm not sure, but that's another topic. The topic of this video is to go to PRF therapy if you have an injury and get an MRI first to see what's happening right there. And of course, include physiotherapy, and you can use other stuff like I did, and you can take supplements. But seemingly, PRF therapy was one of the best choice that I did during this process. So hopefully this video will help you to understand that it's not that bad, it's not that painful, it's not too expensive, so it's worth to take a shot. And yeah, that's all. If you have any question, drop a comment below. I'm much more than happy to give you an answer. And hopefully my other videos is not going to be about my injuries, but about how to lift heavy and help tall individuals to build muscle as fast as possible and be aware of our own specific geometry and long limbs and nutrition requirements to achieve the kind of physique that we were always dreaming of.